Go ahead.
I just did a job in front of Z-bars yesterday. You know, I took 2 of those big pile of snow, and that's all we do. You know, trying to make a living with this machine.
I went back to the job yesterday to turn in my uniform, and they said that they need some help because of the snow again. So most of all the help is back again, because UPS is all, you know, packed up, jammed up, and we're trying to get all these packages as fast as we can.
Monday, to be honest with you, was the best day after the New Year's. You know, we had a tremendous day. We were busy for breakfast, busy for lunch, and busy for dinner also. The whole 3 eating times was, even yesterday was slower, and today, as you see now, was slow.
Well, if we get more snow on Friday, we're just gonna have to handle it. Our men are used to it, and we'll work around the clock to keep everything rolling.